Hi there, this is Ryan. Thanks for taking the time to watch this review. And if you enjoy this review, please give us a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and feel free to comment. So today we're going to be reviewing My Video Spy. This is a product, it's actually a digital app that was put out by Joshua Zamora. He's well known in the internet marketing community for making various apps such as My Traffic Jacker and SynLab, among many others. And some of those other apps we'll be talking about a bit later when we talk about some of the bonuses and upsells. So My Video Spy. What is My Video Spy? And is My Video Spy a worthwhile investment? Well, we'll take a look at its features, what it can do, and then at the end of this video, I have another live video that does a demonstration of My Video Spy for 10 minutes, going over all the details and the nuts and bolts so that you can make your final decision. So before we get into it, I'll give you a quick overview. My Video Spy is a new web app which allows you to rank videos to the number one, both in YouTube and in Google. And it does this by finding untapped niches, however you want to say it, and exposing your competitors' weaknesses and accurately gauging how much traffic your videos will produce. So what that really means is there's a four-step process. The first step is to basically identify niches and keywords that haven't been tapped. What does that mean? We're looking at niches that are very low competition and that you can rank to number one for very easily in Google and in YouTube. Okay, and this can happen very quickly. You can rank in a matter of seconds. This is according to the sales page. From my own experience and from other people who have watched, it can be done in a matter of 20 minutes, half an hour, your video will be ranking on the first page of Google. Okay. Of course, those are best case scenarios. Harder ranking keywords might be on the second or third page. A quick thing I should point out here, okay, the power of this is in its ability to identify niches that aren't tapped, that aren't used, that are low competition. It's helping you find the low-hanging fruit. This system will not work very well for high competition niches, though it will definitely help. And I'll explain that in a moment. Okay, so the next thing this does is for step 2, it exposes, okay? It lets you spy on all your competitors' weaknesses so that you know exactly what you have to do to outrank them. And it does this in a number of ways. That's why it's called My Video Spy. It will look at your competitors' keywords and their tags and everything that they're ranking for, and it will help you find other keywords that you could add on or different combinations that you could use that your competitors overlooked or that they missed, and will allow you to actually rank and overtake your competitors. So that's very cool. And that's where this will be very helpful if you do want to compete in more competitive niches. If you just go for the low-hanging fruit, you're going to rank, if not in seconds, 20 minutes, 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, definitely within an hour. If you want to go for higher competitive niches, you'll definitely have a better chance, especially if you use good backlinks and particularly Web 2.0s and different kinds of video syndication. Let's look at step 3. Step 3 is track. So the other cool feature of this is now that you've found your untapped niches and now that you've found keywords that your competitors aren't using, you can now actually track and predict roughly how many views you'll be getting to your videos, and from there calculate an approximate amount of profit that you could make from your offers. This is very useful because it lets you decide if a campaign is even worth your while, and it makes it much more easy for you to plan your campaigns and to budget your time and to decide which campaigns you want to focus all of your resources on. Okay, step 4 is to rank. So once you've done all of these, you can rank very easily. Okay. Another thing I should add here is that there are several prices and upsells. The front-end product here, okay, goes for $27 to $37, okay? And that depends basically on how many keywords you want to be able to access per day and how many times you want to use the software, okay? And then you have various upsells. But before I go into these, I'd like to just let you know that you should go and see my second video, which is on this page, which goes over a live demonstration, and it's a nice 10-minute long demonstration, which will show you everything that I just talked about in detail. And you can find that by clicking the link in the video description here. And this link leads you also to my bonus page. Okay. Now these are custom bonuses that I've made and that I've put together specifically for My Video Spy. You won't find these bonuses anywhere else, and these bonuses will allow you to get the most value out of My Video Spy. Because the value of My Video Spy is that it can drive tremendous amounts of traffic to your offers, okay? And that's great. You have an easy way to get free organic traffic to your offers, and you basically have unlimited targeted traffic. But you need to know what to do with that traffic. So the first bonus that I've put together for you here is actually a course that was being sold on Warrior Plus on how to sell high-ticket items. So with all of this traffic, you should really be directing it to high-ticket affiliate commissions. And when I say high-ticket, I'm talking $100 to $1,000, maybe even $2,000 or $3,000 per sale that you'd be getting in commission. But to get this kind of commission, you need to use different techniques and a different approach than you would for your lower priced offers. So the lost code, which I have resale rights to, sorry, not resale rights to, but basically I have the right to give this away, is here. And I'm going to give that away to you for free. And in this course, Brandon Mace and Jonna Armstrong will go over all of the hacks, the tricks, and the dirty little secrets that people have been keeping from you when it comes to selling high-ticket items. So this bonus really has tremendous value, and again, it's a whole course and a whole product in and of itself that you'll be getting with My Video Spy if you buy it via my link down below in the video description. And to get these bonuses, you just click on any of these links on this page here. Let's go to bonus number 2. We have high-ticket affiliate programs. So this goes with the first bonus. So if the first bonus is going to teach you how to sell high-ticket affiliate programs, this next bonus is basically a video tutorial that's going to go over in detail all of the different high-ticket affiliate programs out there. It will also give you some other additional tricks into selling and getting sales commissions from these programs. So again, this video series will basically give you programs that can make you anywhere from $30, $60, $200, $1,000 or more, and many of them are recurring commissions. Okay, but that is still not enough. You should also be building an email list, but not just any email list, okay? Most people are teaching you to give away something for free and to build up an email list of subscribers. And that is great, but it is not the best because those subscribers at best are worth about $1 per month. And that's if you're really good, okay? The next level you want to do, especially if you're going to sell high ticket or high commission affiliate items, is you want to build an email list of people who have bought things in the past. And you want to push your high-ticket products onto them. So you need a way to build what we call a buyer subscribers list. Now, many people think that you need to make your own product in order to build this list. And that is just not the case. There are some hacks that I'm going to give you in this tutorial that will show you how to build your buyer subscribers list without making your own product, but by actually selling other people's products. And in addition to that, I will show you another hack on how I steal traffic from another strong traffic source on the internet to get buyer subscribers. So you don't want to miss out on this as well. All of this will go nicely, again, with My Video Spy, because that will be generating you tons of traffic already. And the last bonus that I've put together just for My Video Spy is a high converting sales funnels tutorial. This will show you the different ways that you can build sales funnels that are high converting so that you can sell higher ticket items and actually make money with this traffic that you're getting from My Video Spy. This will go over the most basic of sales funnels where you're using email lists, but it will also go over in detail on how to build various one-time offer pages and initial offer pages and how to put them all together. And there'll be a lot of psychological tips and subtleties as well. It's a complete course in itself. Once again, click on any of these red buttons. That will take you through to Joshua's bonus page, where he also has his own bonuses. But you must do that before this timer is up. We only have 3 days left, and then this page will come down. I'm only keeping this up temporarily. Once you click on this button, you will go through and you will be given an additional bonus page put together by Joshua Zamora, specifically for my promotion of these products. Basically, these bonuses that Joshua put together are for early bird access. You click here, you can buy My Video Spy, and it will automatically give you not only my bonuses, but it will also give you 4 more bonuses that Joshua has put together. You have Affiliate Spy Finder Update, Keyword Density Checker Update, you have Keyword Bootcamp Training, and you have the live 90-minute training session. Okay, so that's 8 bonuses altogether if you count my custom bonuses. You don't want to miss my custom bonuses, because if you use them with My Video Spy, you're going to be able to earn much more than you have before, and you're going to get much more out of the traffic that you're generating using this app. And one more thing to let you know about the bonuses is you can get my bonuses instantly. They're instantly delivered to your JVZoo page. When you buy My Video Spy, you'll be taken to a page on JVZoo where it says access your purchases here. You'll have a green button where you can access My Video Spy, and underneath that, I've circled it here, there'll be another button you can access your bonuses from me. Okay, so enough about that. Let's look at now some of the other prices and upsells. So as I said before, the front-end offer, or the initial offer, is $27 to $37. So you have a couple of options on how many keyword searches you can do per day, depending on the price that you pay for the front end. After that, you're going to have a one-time offer of $47, which is going to give you My Video Spy Elite. And this will allow you to unlock the full potential of My Video Spy. It will allow you to use 250 keyword searches a month, up to 50 keyword suggestions per search, and analyze up to 100 videos a month. And you can track up to 100 videos and create up to 100 live listings per month. Okay, that's one other thing I forgot to mention is My Video Spy. Another trick that it gives you to get to first page in Google is creating live events, which are very easy to rank, and then replacing those live events before they expire with an actual video, which will keep its ranking. Again, there's so much included in this little app that it's a lot to cover, okay? But all the basics we've covered here so far. And I'd like to remind you to visit this link to see the live demo where you'll get to see everything I've just talked about and more in practice, and you'll get to see the rankings and how quickly and easily this app works. And then you can make a very clear decision on whether or not this is the investment for you. Okay, the next one-time offer is the My Video Spy Academy. Now, he's giving this away for $27 one-time payment. This is pretty amazing because he's going to basically give you a complete tutorial of his own personal ranking strategies from start to finish. If you use this with the other features of My Video Spy, which allow you to basically find your competition's weaknesses, you'll definitely be able to get some rankings in the more competitive niches. This is definitely worth getting here. The other one-time offer 3 is Video Chief and SynLab combo. SynLab I'd mentioned before because Joshua has become well known for this particular app, which is a wonderful app. Video Chief is a database of done-for-you videos, and they have over 1,200 videos from over 4 dozen different niches. So you don't have to make any of your own videos. All of the videos are ready, and you can just basically pick and choose, pick the keywords using My Video Spy, upload them, rank them to Google, and you'll be getting instant commissions from Google traffic. So that is wonderful. But to make it even better, he's included SynLab. Now, SynLab is basically allows you to put up almost an unlimited number of social sharing sites and Web 2.0 sites such as Tumblr, Weebly, as well as the social sharing sites such as Twitter, among others. And all in one app, any backlinks that you want to send to those sites, you can do it all with one click, which is great. So you can send to several Tumblr sites at once, several Twitter sites at once. And if you use this, this will definitely help you rank in the more competitive niches as well. Okay. And that, I believe, was for, $67 one-time payment, which if you have the money, I think it's definitely worth it. SynLab alone, he normally sells it for $100, at least a year ago. And that's not just some BS price. I mean, he was really selling it for $100, okay? Because it allows you to rank videos, it allows you to rank your website. It's amazing. Okay, the last one-time offer, okay, is for people who want to, people who have grown their business to such a point that you can afford to hire a VA or a virtual assistant to do a lot of the work for you. So this will give you rights to have either 2 other sub-spies, which are your VAs, to do research using your My Video Spy, and that's for $47. So it's 2 extra licenses so 2 other people can use the app for you. Or if you want 5 VAs or virtual assistants to be using your My Video Spy, that will be $67. So this is for people that have made it much further down the road on the affiliate marketing journey and are now leveraging and outsourcing their work. So that's also a very good option. So that's it. We've looked at all the features of My Video Spy, and we've covered my custom bonuses, which you should really check out by clicking this link. And by clicking this link below, you can go in and watch my 10-minute live tutorial video, which basically shows you a demo of My Video Spy and basically how it works and what you can expect with it and the results that you can get with it. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this review. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys with the next review.